Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about a quick and engaging way to assess speaking proficiency with just one picture and 1 minute. Grab a new image related to your lesson or topic, a busy marketplace, a classroom scene, or a family dinner. Show the picture to your students and ask them to describe what they see or create a story about it in the target language. For example, if the picture shows a park, a student might say, "En el parque hay niños jugando y un perro corriendo detrás de una pelota." This spontaneous task helps students practice vocabulary and grammar while showing you what they can do in real time. Now here's how to make it even easier to implement. Choose 3 levels of prompts to match your students' proficiency. For beginners, you might ask, ¿Qué ves en la foto? What do you see in the picture? For intermediate students, ask, ¿Qué están haciendo las personas? What are the people doing? And for advanced students, you can take it even further with a prompt like, Imagina que tú estás en esta escena. ¿Qué harías? Imagine you're in this scene. What would you do? This approach ensures every student can participate and be challenged at their own level, all in just 1 minute. Want more quick win assessment ideas? Join the Assessment Academy at mm.us/academy. You'll discover practical, proficiency-focused strategies that simplify grading and help your students grow. Start using this 1-minute speaking assessment today to bring creativity and spontaneity into your classroom.